Imagine you're hitting the gym every day, lifting heavier weights, pushing yourself harder. But, despite all your effort, the muscle growth isn't what you expected. What could be missing? The answer, more often than not, is protein. Protein isn't just another nutrient. It's the building block of life and, most importantly, of your muscles. But why is protein so essential when it comes to building muscle? Let's break it down. Every time you work out, especially during strength training, your muscles experience tiny tears. This is normal, it's part of the muscle building process. But here's the catch. For these tears to heal and for your muscles to grow back bigger and stronger, your body needs amino acids. And guess what? Amino acids come from protein. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which then travel to the muscles to repair and rebuild those tiny tears. Think of protein as the raw material for muscle construction. Protein doesn't just help with repair. It also boosts muscle recovery and reduces soreness. If you're consistent with your protein intake, you'll not only see faster muscle growth but also feel less exhausted after your workouts. So, how much protein do you actually need? For someone focused on muscle building, experts recommend around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you'd aim for 112 to 154 grams of protein each day. But remember, not all proteins are created equal. Complete proteins, like chicken, fish, eggs, and whey, contain all essential amino acids. If you're vegetarian or vegan, combine foods like rice and beans to get a complete protein profile. Now, let's bust a few myths. Myth 1. You need protein supplements to build muscle. Truth. Supplements are convenient, but they're not mandatory. Whole foods are just as effective. Myth 2. More protein equals more muscle. Truth. Your body has a limit. Overloading on protein won't speed up muscle growth, it just strains your kidneys. Myth 3. Timing doesn't matter. Truth. The timing of protein intake does play a role. Consuming protein within 30-60 minutes after your workout can maximize muscle repair. So, what's the takeaway? Building muscle isn't just about lifting weights. It's a science that revolves around protein, rest, and consistency. Make sure you are consuming the right amount of high-quality protein, spread throughout the day, for the best results. Protein is more than a dietary choice, it's the cornerstone of muscle growth. So next time you hit the gym, remember, muscles aren't just built with weights. They're built with what's on your plate.